Hello Beech class, I'm going to share with you today the work we would like you to do at home for the week beginning the 25th of January. You've all been working really hard so far and we've loved our Zoom sessions where we've been able to talk to you and share with you tips for doing this and seeing the work that you've done on our Friday sessions. So remember, if you can, try and join those Zoom sessions on a Monday and a Friday at 11 o'clock. I'm going to share my screen with you now and show you what we'd like you to do this week at home. So for maths, we're carrying on with our addition and subtraction work. So on Monday, we'd like you to do some subtraction of a 2-digit number from a 3-digit number. This is going to cross the tens barrier. We'd like you to do pages 38, 39, 40 and 41. On Tuesday, we're going to carry on, but we're going to with addition and subtraction, but looking at multiples of 100 and adding and subtracting them. Pages 42, 43, 44 and 45. Wednesday is spotting patterns that occur when we do our addition and subtraction. That's pages 46, 47, 48 and 49. Thursday is just an addition day, adding 2-digit numbers together. Pages 50, 51, 52 and 53. And then Friday is a subtraction day, subtracting 2-digit numbers. They're pages 54, 55, 56 and 57. At the bottom of the screen, I've got a website that links with your booklet, and there are some lessons on there, if you can access them, that will give you some tips as how you can complete this work. Remember, don't panic. Try your best. Ask a grown-up when they're ready and they might be able to help you. And if you're not sure, miss it out and we'll help you on our Friday session at school and see if we can do it together. Here are some strategies that might help. This week, you really need to think about your place value, your hundreds, tens and ones. That will really help you if you've got your good understanding of that, which you all have. Lots of this work is adding or subtracting multiples of 10 or 100. So when we're doing that, remember the ones won't change. And sometimes when you're adding multiples of 10, the hundreds don't change either. So the tens or the hundreds will only change if you go over a 10. You get past 9 or 90 or 900. Another tip, remember that addition and subtraction are inverse of each other. That means they're opposite. It's good to remember this for solving some missing number sums which you've got one day. Remember, counting forwards is easier than counting backwards. So if you have a sum like the one I've got written below, I've worked out the answer by counting on instead. I've started at 532. I've noticed I've got to get up to 612. They've both got 2 ones, so I counted up in steps of 10 to work out the missing number, which was 80. On here, I've put a quick reminder slide to remind you the column method for doing subtraction if you need to cross a tens barrier by crossing one out, stealing it and putting it with your other digit, and then write in how many you've got left. So if you look here, there were 5 tens. I stole one of them and turned my 3 into a 13. And then I would be left with 4 tens. You can pause the video and read through this and remind yourself of that method if you need to. Also got a column method sheet for addition. And again, you can pause the video and read through this and remind yourself how to do it. It's all things we've done in school. There's nothing new there. If you like practical resources, at school we have our hundreds, our tens and our ones to use. I've made my own at home. I've used a coaster for my 100 block. I've used pencil crayons for my tens rods, and I've used cubes, Lego cubes for my ones. So you could find something similar at your house if you need to. When you've done those pages, don't do any more in that book. Remember, you've got your TT Rockstars you can play on. You've got the TTS packet or the Oak Academy addition and subtraction lessons if you want more. If you don't want to do any more, that's fine. Right, English now. So on here I've put which pages I'd like you to complete for English. So we're going to finish our autumn workouts this week with workout 11, 12. That's pages 22 and 23 on Monday and 24 and 25 on Tuesday. Then we're going to move on to the spring workouts. So on Wednesday, you've got page 26 and 27. Thursday, you've got page 28 and 29. On Friday, you've got pages 30 and 31. Again, don't panic. If you're struggling to do it and it's taking you a long time, stop and have a break. Ask a grown-up to help you if they can. And if you're still unsure, miss it out and we'll look together on Friday in our Zoom session. So here are some things that might help you with your English this week. Remember, a plural is more than one. Exclamation marks can show shock and amazement. Question marks show us it's a question, all at the end of our sentences. Commas separating things in lists. A noun is a person, place or thing, and then a noun phrase is a group of words that have adjectives with the noun. And then a subheading is a mini title for a section of writing. A conjunction is words that join together. Compound words, if you remember from phonics in year 2, is two words joining together to make a new word. A prefix is some letters at the start of the word that you add to a normal word that can change its meaning. And then a suffix is letters that go on the end of the word that can create a new word. Past tense is writing that talks about something that's happened in the past, it's finished. Present tense talks about things that are happening now. And one that's a little bit tricky is the present progressive tense. That's talking about things that are happening now and are continuing to happen now. We are talking. The ing is the important part, really, and it makes it an ongoing. Only do the pages we've asked. Find yourself some more on Oak Academy or your TTS if you want to. You don't have to. And again, topic this week, choose something different off the packet. Have a go at doing it. You can present it in your own way. We love to see these things in our Friday sessions, or we love it when you email them into school and we can have a good look at it on our computers and then send you a message back to tell you what we think. There are more lessons for our topic on the Oak Academy website if you want to do more. And here is our Beat the Teacher challenge for the week. Can you make a rainbow out of things at home? But you can't use your pens, your pencils, your crayons or your paints. You've got to use other things that you find around the house. So I made one using Lego bricks. I bet you can be far more creative than I can. Can't wait to see what you come up with. So remember again, try your best. Take lots of breaks. If it's struggling or getting frustrated, stop for a bit. Keep yourselves active and keep busy. And if you can, come back to school on Friday for our Zoom sessions at 11 o'clock so we can see how you've got on. We'll see you all really soon.